Hey guys, we got a brand new clock. Starting it in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Look at this big old thing. Plays, it has a silent mode, Westminster, and a something like that, Maria. AV Maria, I think. Now I'll show you. Westminster. I'll do Ava Maria in another video because I don't want to mess up the time. Here. Wait, Westminster. There's that. That's almost all the chime notes. A lot of chime notes. Now let's do Ava Maria. I'll just call it Ava Maria for now. Alright, now we'll go back. You guys know the Westminster, so we'll just do Ava Maria for the hour.